Welcome to Autofocus Review, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting updates in the world of motorcycles. Today, we dive into the 2025 TVS Apache RTR 160, a machine that has dominated the streets for years and now returns with even more power, style, and innovation. If you're an Apache fan or someone looking for a thrilling commuter bike, stay tuned because this review will keep you on the edge of your seat. A legacy of power and performance. The TVS Apache RTR 160 has always been a name that excites bikers, known for its aggressive styling, punchy engine, and race-inspired DNA. But in 2025, TVS takes it a step further. The new model is designed to deliver more speed, more control, and more adrenaline every time you hit the road. Whether you're zooming through city streets or testing its limits on the highway, the Apache RTR 160 is built to thrill. Engine, more power, more excitement. Let's talk about what makes this beast roar. Its engine. The 2025 Apache RTR 160 comes with a refined 160cc air-cooled, fuel-injected engine that now produces even better power and torque. Expect a thrilling 15-16 horsepower and improved low-end torque that makes acceleration smoother and quicker. Whether you're racing off the traffic light or cruising comfortably, this engine ensures an exciting and effortless ride. But it's not just about power. TVS has fine-tuned the engine for better fuel efficiency, so you get the best of both worlds, performance and economy. Design. Aggressive and sporty. One look at the 2025 Apache RTR 160 and you know this bike means business. TVS has taken its already aggressive styling and made it even sharper. The muscular fuel tank, the sleek LED headlamp, and the bold graphics make it look like a pure Streetfighter. And let's not forget the signature LED DRLs, which give it a menacing glare, ensuring you stand out wherever you ride. The riding position? Perfectly balanced for both comfort and aggression. Whether you're leaning into corners or cruising through traffic, the ergonomics make sure you stay comfortable yet in full control. Final verdict: should you buy it? So, should you get the 2025 TVS Apache RTR 160? If you love a sporty, stylish, and powerful bike that gives you an exciting ride every single day, then yes, this bike is a solid choice. It's built with TVS's legendary race-inspired DNA, packs smart features, and delivers an unmatched riding experience in its segment. So what do you think about the new Apache RTR 160? Would you pick this beast as your next ride? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autofocus Review for more exciting updates on the latest bikes and cars. Ride safe, ride fast, and stay tuned for our next review.